searching for how to buy shares of Kohl's Corp, a U.S. department store chain listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker KSS, this short guide will show the main steps. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search and type the ticker KSS to find Kohl's Corp. Select the matching result to open the company listing. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to see recent movements. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct Kohl's Corp listing. Tap Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy. Review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as pending. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Check the description for the eToro link to follow the same steps.